Welcome to Easygolife, where we simplify digital success, explore cutting-edge tech, game-changing marketing hacks, and more, crafted to inspire and empower every generation. Let's innovate and thrive
Welcome
together.
to the 8th installment of our Learn Website Designing and Development from Scratch series. So far, we've built a solid foundation with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP. Now, it's time to elevate your web design skills even further. In this video, we're diving into Bootstrap, a powerful framework that will supercharge your web development process. Bootstrap is your go-to toolkit for creating stunning, responsive websites quickly and efficiently. It comes packed with pre-designed components and styles that ensure your site looks polished and functions seamlessly across all devices. We'll start by understanding what Bootstrap is and why it's a game changer for web development. Then, we'll walk you through setting it up in your project, whether by using a CDN or downloading the files. You'll learn how to utilize Bootstrap's core components, like buttons, forms, and navigation bars, and see how the grid system can help you build responsive layouts with ease. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to start building beautiful, responsive websites that look great on any screen. Let's get started with Bootstrap and take your web development skills to the next level. Bootstrap is a popular front-end framework that simplifies the process of designing and developing websites. It provides a collection of pre-styled components and tools that help you create visually appealing and responsive web pages quickly. Bootstrap's role in web development is to streamline design and development tasks, allowing you to focus more on functionality and user experience while benefiting from a cohesive, well-designed framework. Whether you're building a simple blog or a complex web application, Bootstrap offers ready-to-use elements and a responsive grid system that adapt to various screen sizes, making your site look great on any device. Bootstrap is a popular framework that helps developers build websites quickly and easily. It provides pre-made designs and styles for common web elements like buttons, forms, and navigation bars. Think of it as a toolkit that saves you time by offering ready-to-use components and styles that make your website look good and work well on different devices. To start using Bootstrap in your project, you first need to set it up correctly. Bootstrap can be integrated in a couple of ways, either by linking to its files via a content delivery network, CDN, or by downloading and including the files directly in your project. Setting up Bootstrap ensures you have access to its powerful features and design components, making it easier to build responsive and stylish web pages. In this section, we'll walk you through the steps to get Bootstrap up and running, so you can leverage its tools to enhance your website's design and functionality. To use Bootstrap, you need to include its files in your project. There are two main ways to do this. Via CDN, Content Delivery Network, simply add a link to Bootstrap CSS and JavaScript files in your HTML head section. Download Bootstrap files. You can also download Bootstrap files and add them to your project directory. Then, link to them in your HTML file similarly to the CDN method. Once Bootstrap is set up in your project, you can start utilizing its pre-designed components to enhance your website. Bootstrap offers a range of basic yet powerful elements such as buttons, forms, and navigation bars that come with built-in styles and functionalities. These components are designed to help you create a polished and user-friendly interface quickly. In this section, we'll explore how to use Bootstrap's basic components to streamline your web development process and achieve a professional look with minimal effort. Bootstrap provides a variety of pre-styled components to use in your web design. Buttons. Bootstrap offers several styles for buttons like primary, secondary, and danger. Forms. Bootstrap makes forms look clean and organized with built-in styles. Navigation bars. Bootstrap provides a flexible navigation bar that adjusts to different screen sizes. With Bootstrap, creating responsive layouts is easier than ever thanks to its robust grid system. The grid system allows you to design web pages that adapt seamlessly to different screen sizes and devices. By using a series of rows and columns, you can organize content in a flexible and responsive way. In this section, we'll dive into how to leverage Bootstrap's grid system to build layouts that look great on any device, ensuring your website provides an optimal viewing experience for all users. The Bootstrap grid system helps you create layouts that look good on all screen sizes. It uses a series of rows and columns to arrange content. For example, this code creates a layout with 3 columns that stack vertically on smaller screens and display side by side on larger screens. Combining Bootstrap's powerful grid system with its versatile components allows you to quickly create responsive layouts that look polished on any device. In this segment, we'll explore how to build a simple yet effective web page layout, including a header, content area, and footer. By applying Bootstrap's tools, you'll learn how to ensure your design adapts fluidly to various screen sizes, making your website both functional and visually appealing. By combining Bootstrap's grid system and components, you can easily build a responsive layout. For instance, you can create a simple web page with a header, content, and footer that adjusts based on the device. This layout will adjust the content area and sidebar to fit nicely on various screen sizes. With these basics of Bootstrap, you can start creating attractive, responsive websites without needing to design everything from scratch. Bootstrap's pre-made components and grid systems streamline the web design process and help ensure your site looks great on all devices. That concludes our introduction to Bootstrap. You've learned how to utilize this framework to create stylish, responsive web pages with ease. From setting up Bootstrap to using its built-in components and grid system, you now have the tools to enhance your web development projects efficiently. In our next video, we'll be diving into Introduction to React, where we'll explore this powerful JavaScript library for building dynamic user interfaces. Get ready to learn how React can revolutionize your web development approach by breaking down complex UIs into manageable components. See you in the next video as we continue our journey into modern web development.